Unit 13, the practical and legal realities of staffing. The organizational process determines staffing needs by considering the work that needs to be done and the job positions that are needed to do it. In today's real estate companies, that generally means employing a number of managerial, administrative, secretarial, and clerical personnel in addition to the sales force. Employment positions are characterized as full-time, which can be exempt or non-exempt, and contingent positions. Contingent positions would include temporary, part-time, or leased workers and independent contractors. The scope and permanence of the work drive decisions about whether full-time employees or contingent workers are needed to fill the positions. Staffing a sales force requires decisions about these things. 1, how many salespeople are needed? 2, are they full-time or part-time personnel? And how are those definitions characterized? 3, is the company looking for experienced or newly licensed salespeople? And 4, are the salespeople employees or are they common law or statutory independent contractors? Companies need a methodical and legally defensible process for selecting, hiring, promoting, terminating, and compensating the workforce. This includes developing a job analysis and candidate profile that describes the knowledge, skill sets, experience, and personal characteristics that are necessary to perform each job and are a business necessity for the company. Compensation planning and administration is a function of the company's philosophy about paying people. Entitlement or performance. The position of the jobs within the organization and the accompanying qualifications and experience or expertise of the people in these jobs. The point of compensation is to reward people for their value to the company. Companies must adopt a methodical process to convert value into pay in an equitable and just manner and ensure that equal work gets equal pay. Once adopted, pay policies must be publicized. Pay plans may be wages, which could be hourly rate. They may be salaries, like an annual rate, or variable pay plans, which could be a base salary, commission, bonuses, or benefit incentives, or it could be a combination of those. Compensation for sales and managerial personnel is typically based on some form of variable pay plan. Pay practices must comply with employment laws, including the state labor and wage and hour laws. The Fair Labor Standards Act may also apply. This is particularly important for administering overtime pay and determining which workers are exempt versus non-exempt. The sales force is typically compensated with straight salary, straight commission, or salary and bonuses, or other performance incentives. Supervisory and managerial personnel are generally compensated based on the level of their responsibility in the organization and the activities for which they are accountable. Typically, these are salaried or salaried plus performance-based compensation plans. Employment practices are one of the most litigious areas of business. Every human resource management activity must scrupulously guard against any conduct that violates the rights of people who are protected by the federal, state, or local employment laws. Those laws don't differentiate between independent contractors and employees either. Companies must also adopt anti-harassment policies and comply with OSHA's health and safety requirements. So as you're reading through Unit 13, here's some things to think about. The foundation of the staffing function is the company's personnel policies and procedures. And these guide virtually every event in human resource management. I hope you enjoy this unit and good luck on your quiz.